Welcome back. I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today we're going to learn how to play a C chord. If this video helps you, subscribe to our channel and you'll get notifications when we come out with new videos. Okay, so let's get started. All right. This is a C chord. It's in a lot of songs, country, rock and roll, you name it. It is a very popular first position chord. And this series of videos is about these first position chords that you can play on an acoustic guitar, an electric guitar, and in lots and lots of songs will have these chords. So once you learn these chords, I'm very confident you'll be able to play quite a few songs. So to start out on the C chord, you're going to take you have finger 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to take your finger number 3, which is your ring finger. You're going to put it on the 3rd fret of the A string, which is the 5th string from the bottom. You're going to want to take your 2nd finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the D string, which is the 4th string from the bottom. Make sure everything rings nice. Then you're going to take your 1st finger here and you're going to put it on the B string on the 1st fret. And the challenge on this chord is going to be able to put your 1st finger on this B string, make that note ring, and then make the 2 strings around it ring. So when you get comfortable with your guitar, and if you try to keep your thumb behind the neck and use the tip of your finger the best you can. That's the best way to do that. Get all the strings ring nice and clean. Then take your hand off the neck and do it again. Don't be afraid to try it a few times. See how it sounds when you strum down here? Sounds a little different when you strum down there. Don't worry about it if you have to take your finger on your right hand and do this to make your finger in the right spot. That's okay when you're starting out. As long as you can make all the strings ring, that's really good. Take your hand off. And then do it again. And then if you've been following along in this series of videos we've been making, we've got some other chords. And then try going between those chords. Play the D. And the A chord. And the D and the E chord. You can alternate the pattern and change between them and take your time. And if you go down the strings slowly like this, you can really tell if you've got the chord nice. And you try strumming up and down nice like a paintbrush. You're painting your strings with your pick. up and down like that. So that is a C chord. It's probably a little harder some of the other chords that we've learned in this series of videos, mainly because of this B string with 2 open strings around it. So if you practice this at least 15 minutes a day, half an hour would be better, an hour would be better, but if you do it every day, it would be great. You'll get smoother changing between the chords. I think it's good to take your time and make the chords sound better as opposed to getting faster and not having them sound nice. Speed will come, but that's not really even that important when you're learning songs like that. So I hope this helps you out. Work on these chords and then stay tuned and we'll bring you some more lessons on some basic chords. All right, thank you. Subscribe to our channel and you'll be notified when the next one comes out. All right, thank you and have a nice day.